पर्सनली स्पीकिंग, अगर आप सिर्फ पढ़ाई में ही ध्यान अपना बनाए रखें तो मार्क्स इतने अच्छे नहीं रहेंगे. एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ को भी इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए एंड दे शुड बी बैलेंस्ड वेल विद योर स्टडीज़. आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, मैं डिबेट्स में बहुत पार्ट लेती थी. मैं अपने स्कूल की हेड गर्ल भी थी लास्ट ईयर. आई वॉज द चीफ एडिटर ऑफ आवर स्कूल मैगजीन, आवर स्कूल न्यूज़ लेटर. So apart from studies, there were umpteen other activities which I had to be engaged in, managing school functions and other events. But at the same time, maintaining a balance, striking a right balance between your studies and ECA really helps you score well, because extracurricular activities at the end of the day just help you motivate and help you perform better in your studies. Today I see children hopping from one tuition to the other, going mad, crazy. They come back home, leave their bag here, go from one tuition, another tuition, come back home again very tired. No time for self-study, which doesn't help, because all said and done, you need time to, sit down, settle down, have a calm state of mind, and analyze for yourself where you stand. What are your targets to achieve as far as studies are concerned, and how you intend to achieve them. Merely by going to tuitions will not solve the purpose. People who say, oh God, I'm not at all scared and let what has to happen, let it happen, they're lying. It's written on their face that they're lying. So basic amount of stress is required for you to perform well. At the end of it, you must not really, take it to such a level that it overpowers you, that it becomes the master and you become the servant. Stress and fear is okay to the extent that you are under control of the situation. As far as minimizing pre-exam stress is concerned, I think again it works differently with different people. Certain people like listening to music, others like talking on the phone. Yet there's still others try to just shut themselves off from the world and be with themselves. So you know best of how you can de-stress yourself and what relaxes you the most. That's most important. I think my parents this way were very, very cooperative. They have forever, still are, giving me my own space, and I've always been encouraged to pursue my own interest.